Morning, everyone. Today's topic is International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirement for Pharmaceutical of Human Use. Presented by me, Somika Singh, Senior Assistant Professor of Lucknow. International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirement for Pharmaceutical for Human Use means the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirement for Pharmaceutical for Human Use is a initiative that bring together regulatory authority and pharmaceutical industry to discuss scientific and technical aspect of pharmaceutical product development and registration. It means the International Council of Harmonizations me and ICH guideline used in pharmaceutical industry and how is work in pharmaceutical industry. So, for the implement of any pharmaceutical product development, first of all, discuss the Pharmaceutical Organization Authority to ICS guidelines authority to regulate how to regulate this pharmaceutical industry product development and registrations. The mission of ICS is to promote public health by achieving greater harmonization through the development of technical guidelines and requirement for pharmaceutical product registration. The mission means the aim of ICH. The aim of ICH to promote the public health. ICS the main aim, the how to promote the public health, how to promote the health of people and how to promote the new technique development in pharmaceutical industry and how to develop the new drug in pharmaceuticals. ICS guideline. ICS guidelines are implemented by ICS regulatory member and absorbed within their respective country and region. ICS guidelines are implemented in accordance with the applicable national, local, regional rule with the stage of implementation of all ICS guidelines also being depend on when a member or absorbed had joined ICH means ICS guidelines are implemented by ICS regulatory member means ICS guideline implement by ICS regulatory member and it absorbed within the respective countries and region. ICS guideline implement accordance with the applicable nation, local, regional rule and states implement all the ICS guideline also being depend on when the member absorb and help monitoring the process of international harmonization and coordinating effect in the regarding to important ICS focus. Monitoring the process of international harmonization and coordinating effect in the regarding important ICS focus. ICES is working to understand the level of implementation and adhering to ICS guideline with regulatory member and absorb country region to date has conducted to ICES deriving independent third-party survey support to the effect with the result available in the 2019 project report and 2021 project means ICS guideline implemented by ICS authority and it absorbed by the ICS member. And in the ICS guideline, we are focused according to the national regulatory member. Reason to date and conduct ICS derivative independent third party survey and support. Furthermore, additional analysis of server entire were undertaken, including analysis to free text comment received to each survey with the result of 2021 survey analysis to found in the 2021 free text comment. Quality guidelines. The ICS guidelines have a different guidelines. First of all, we are discuss about the quality guidelines. Quality guidelines harmonization achievement in the quality area include pivotal milestone such as the conduct of a stability study defining relevant threshold for impurity testing and more flexible approach of pharmaceutical quality based on the good manufacturing practices risk management. Quality guidelines. Quality guidelines in the ICS guidelines, we are discuss about the quality guidelines. Quality in the quality guidelines, we are discuss the how to ICS guideline help in pharmaceutical industry to promote the quality of the products and how to we are manufacturing the good products according to the GMP Act. It means the ICS guidelines in which quality guidelines help to improve the pharmaceutical industry product development. Safety guidelines. ICS has produced a comprehensive set of safety guidelines to uncover potential risks like carcinogenicity, genotoxicity, and reprotoxicity. A recent breakthrough has been a non clinical testing strategy for assigning the quality test interval prolongation liberty, the single most important cause of drug withdrawal in recent years. Means in the ICS guideline, the second is the safety guideline help to drug safety, help in drug safety, and this drug safety uh, is analyzed by the clinical trials, non-clinical testing, other efficacy guidelines. Efficacy guidelines. The third part of the ICS guidelines is the efficacy guidelines. In efficacy guidelines, the work carried out by ICS under the efficacy heading to consider with the design, conduct, safety, and reporting of clinical trial. It also covers the novel type of medicine derived from biotechnology process and the use of pharmacogenetics and pharmacogenomics technique to produce better target of the medicine. Efficacy. Efficacy means how to drug act on the site of action, and the CICES guideline help to improve the efficacy of the multidisciplinary guideline. The fourth part of the ICS guideline is the multidisciplinary guideline. Those are the cross-cutting topic with do not fit unique into one of the quality, safety, and efficacy category. It includes the ICS medical terminology, the common technical documents, and the development of electronic standard for the transfer of the regulatory information. Multidisciplinary guidelines in the ICS guidelines we discuss, it is not related to the quality, safety, and efficacy, is related to the documentation work of the regulatory departments.